it's the Crappy Gardener. Oh yes, the Crappy Gardener. Wowee, the Crappy Gardener show. I thought I'd take a moment. You have to keep up with this place because there's always something going on. And I think the judge had something blooming all the time. I was going to show you the rhododendrons, but I'm not. But what I will show you before I tuck into that is that Potentilla looks like it's coming along. Oh, and the Weigela, which had not bloomed, it's taken 2 seasons to bloom, is blooming. So look, ooh, now I've had yellow Potentillas, but I think this white one is stunning. But like I say, last year and the year before, I got 1 or 2 flowers, and that was like, you know, like in July. So I think this thing is coming along, and if I could get it covered, it would just be stunning. Now, the honeysuckle is still there. Last year, it just got eaten. The bugs came in, and I didn't even get that on it. But anyways, here, this Weigela, oh, and I'll show you the puppies. This Weigela was a stick. And I think that pink thing out back is a Weigela too. And I don't know, my mother says Weigela, but I don't think anybody says Weigela. But look at this thing. This is stunning. It was a stick. I came in, I sort of trimmed it up, gave it some fertilizer. It grew, did nothing though. And then this year, like, wow. I think everything on this place needs feeding. I got a lot to clear out. Here's the puppies. They're just beautiful. And they're gonna go for a little bit. But what I'm finding, oh, and this, these pinks, they crawled out into the, grass. There's some, I could show you, I think right here. Ooh. Yeah, they crawled out into the grass, and I just kept mowing them for 2 years until one accidentally bloomed. I went, oh my God. So I put them back into the bed, and they're gonna bloom this year. So, and my poor, I put this in because I love Cornell pinks. I think they are the most beautiful. I think it's an azalea, and it's the wrong place. It's not getting enough shade in the noontime. But what I have learned over these last couple of years is that this spiderwort, which I had at my other place, but man, oh man, it's a weed, and it's not supposed to be there. And I got to go and cut it all out, and because it's going to take over New York. But it's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at this. I got all this lileage that has to be removed. Look at these. I got every color. Actually, I got 4 colors. There's a purple and there's a blue. And as lovely as it is, it's a menace. And there's lots I have to clean out. So, which, oh my God, I'll tell you, the house is rather dusty. Anyway, here's some garlic I put in, or not garlic, chives. You gotta have chives. Oh, see, look at this. Look at this poor little hosta. It's, yeah, that guy's going. And, you know, as much as I love a burning bush, this thing is out of control. I mean, out of control. But anyway, that thing is stunning. Look at this. And I'm actually quite proud because, I mean, honestly, it was, I don't know what it was. It looked like it, and I thought it was dead. But it's beautiful. But anyway, let's give 3 cheers to the Potentilla for at least putting out more than 2 blooms. Look at this. So cross your fingers, maybe it'll keep going. Anyway, happy crappy gardening and happy Sunday.